Good day to you. This is yet another video for you for Sales Training channel. Today I am going to share a story where trust has been re-established. If you have gone through my videos, you might have seen that everything counts. Either it makes a positive change in the customer or negative change. And then more probably the negatives are more powerful or 2 times powerful than the positive. This is also explained in the training videos. So here I am going to explain a case where a negative has been once again reconverted into positive and the deal has been closed. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is once again the same Mr. Sundar, and then once again the sale of a villa. So here the lady is the buyer. So she booked a villa for 1.93 crores and then she took a discount of 10 lakhs from the salesperson, Mr. Sundar. So after that, he had not yet collected the advance check to confirm the sales. He collected the advance check of 10 lakh rupees. In the meanwhile, she met her brother and then brother confused her. Okay, you would ask for more discount. That's a word given by his brother. And she also thought, okay, if someone can give 10 lakh discount, then he can give more discount also. So she once again, she said he called for a return of advance rupees. Then my friend Mr. Sundar immediately rushed to the customer and then started discussing. And then he said, okay, if you want to give an advance as per our law, company procedures, we will retain rupees 1 lakh and then return the balance rupees. But somehow this lady got irritated and then she started she used some unwanted words also. But even such type of words, my friend kept cool, because customer may show any amount of emotion, but the salesperson has to remain cool. Else he has to be ready to lose the customer. So then he said, okay, what is the issue, madam? Can you explain? He said, my brother came to me and then we had a discussion about this. He said, okay, if you give 10 lakh discount, and you can even give more discount also. Why don't you give it to me? I want more discount because I lot trust on you. So this may be the reason that Mr. Brian Tracy explains in the book that don't give discount. Try to give you more options, more offers, or more benefit, more accessories. Don't give a discount. And then if any point in time, if you give huge discount like some 20%, 25%, and then their trust will be in doubt. It means if you are trying to cheat the customer by quoting high amount, never quote high value. Quote your figure, but keep some margin for negotiation. People love to do negotiation, so that for that sake keeps a 5% or 5 to 10% margin. It is very normal, but don't keep more than that. That's a good sign. So my friend Sundar started arguing, okay, if you think I am not trustworthy, then you are definitely going to be cheated by somebody else. She was very confident of his company, what he is selling. He says, we are the best. When it comes to the trust, we are the best in the market. I can give you a copy of my land document. You can verify it with 5 or 6 lawyers. If any one lawyer points a single mistake, I will give you the villa free of cost to you. That is a confidence we have in our documentation. Check with anybody else whether they can offer such a commitment, where the document will pass through the legal opinion. So then my friend Sundar spent merely 2 to 3 hours with that lady, talking about his company, his product and everything. where he can give discount, cannot discount, something like that. Okay, there are only very few variables where the construction industry can play around. There is registration cost is fixed, nothing can be done about it. Land cost is fixed because somebody has paid the land cost and bought it, so that cannot be discounted. The only variable is the construction cost. Construction cost also is fixed depending upon the quality of construction. So there is not much variable to offer a huge discount in this case. This was explained to the lady and somehow she got convinced and she said, okay, I will go with you. So So converting a negative into a positive is not an easy joke. It takes a lot of grit, conviction, and then trust in yourself and trust in the organization. And the organization also should be highly ethical and with high standards of business. Then only the trust can be won back. Otherwise, it is not possible to get the trust back. This is Katal Labudha for Chennai for Sales Training Channel. Kindly subscribe to me so that we can view such sales stories which happens, practical sales stories where we teach you how to handle the customer. Good day to you. See you. Bye bye. Keep it up.